In Malaysia electricity market, the MD is very expensive. So how to reduce the MD and how much money you can save? Today, let me introduce. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lee. The MD stands for the maximum demands. It means the highest 13 minutes average power use for the factory in the month. So check this picture. This picture is made by the MD. The TNB not just charge the power consumption, also for the MD and rent by the kilowatt. So reducing the MD means directly reducing the cost of the electricity. How do we calculate how much MD can be reduced? The core formula is actually quite simple. It depends on the battery size. Mostly is smaller by the battery power at the average load during the original MD. In real project, you need 4 pieces of information to calculate your MD. First, what's the original MD in kilowatts? You can get this directly from your bill. Secondly, what's the battery power in kilowatts? For example, the 125 kilowatts battery can cover at most 125 kilowatts for a load. Third, does the MD occur? For example, in most factory, MD happens in the 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. If the battery has no energy during the period, it can help. Fourth, does the battery have enough energy during the period? It depends on the battery capability in kilowatts and the discharge duration. So let's dive into the image. So in this image, this is real project. The MD is happening in this period, which is 826 kilowatts. The customer needs us to reduce 100 kilowatts. So what we do? We install a battery, which is a standard product. The power is 125 kilowatts. So we can reduce the MD from the 800 to the 700. And secondly, let's calculate the time for the MD. So each dot is 13 minutes. So let me calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in total, it's 3.5 hours per 1 day. So this is our solution. Many customers asking if he purchased a standard 125 kilowatts battery product for his factory, can be MD reduced to 0? The answer is never. 3 reasons. First, the battery SOC limit. The discharge stops at 20% of SOC. Second, PV and load influences. Rain, sunset, motor start cause a short grid import. Third, TNB meter rule. The MD is charged on the peak of the month, not the average. Realistically, remaining MD is about 10 to 20% of the original MD. To summary, the key to MD reduction is battery power and energy availability during the MD window. Never promise 0 MD. Use 10 to 20% of the remaining MD in your calculation. Always check the utility bill and the load data. Want me to analyze your MD bill? Contact me or our sales team. This is Dr. Lee again. See you in next video.